Hey, hi, hello, it is Andrew from IDB here. I absolutely love my HomeKit home, but when it comes to lights on the outside, you're a little bit limited. Hue just released some new Hue bulbs that work outdoor, but as far as outdoor plugs, you've got two options. This new one here from iHome, as well as the one from iDevices. iDevices is nice because it has two different outputs on it. You can only control them together, but there are two separate plugs on there. However, the one from iHome is significantly cheaper, and you can simply use another splitter if that's really what you want to do. Not only does this guy work with HomeKit, it works with the iHome app, it works with Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, Wink, and Nest. So there are a ton of different platforms that this can support. In the box, you've got pretty much two main things, the actual device itself, as well as a couple pieces of mounting hardware. So you can mount this on the wall, which can help water doesn't pool around it or it's sitting on the ground. It's decent in size, about fits in the palm of your hand, with a nice sturdy outdoor extension cable there on the top to plug it in. Makes it really easy to plug into tighter spaces. Like nearly all HomeKit outlets, it still has a physical button there on the side, so you can turn it on and off manually if for some reason it's not working wirelessly or through the remote. The back of it does have the HomeKit code printed on there, which is also found in the instruction manual, which is pretty par for the course with HomeKit accessories that are out there. You can also see that mounting bracket there at the top, right behind the cord. I'm a little bit torn on the 90-degree head on here. It can be good or it can be bad, just depends on where you're plugging this in at. In my current situation, it's a little bit difficult because I just have something like a mounting box around it. It makes it hard to exactly plug in. There's also a bit of a overhang around the actual plug itself, so if you have a 90-degree plug plugging into this, it could be a bit of an issue. Just things to take into consideration. Of course, you can always plug an extension cord into this, you can plug other things in, just to make sure that that'll work. There are lights on the side as well, letting you know the status that it is on or off, and that it is connected to Wi-Fi. Being an Apple-focused channel, we're clearly going to focus on the HomeKit side of things, so we're going to go through the whole HomeKit pairing process, which works pretty easy. Just scan that code on the back of it after it's plugged in, go ahead and give a name. In my case, I'm going to name it the string lights, and you'll see why towards the end of the video, and you can choose a room that's going to go in. In my case, this is going to be out in the patio. You can set up that outdoor room, and then I can change the type. If it's going to be something other than a light, put it as other or outlet, and of course in my case it's a light, so I can just choose it as a light. I could even change the icon for the light if I wanted to. Now by asking Siri through an automation or through the Home app, I can turn the lights on and off. Here you can see the string lights inside of the patio, inside of the Home app. I can see the icon there, the name that I've chosen, the room, the type of outlet it is, and of course I can turn it on and off. You can see the light, the automation icon change to the top as the light does change its status. Now if you really want to get fancy, other than just being able to turn it on and off, you should check out the automation tab where all the kind of fun stuff is. So the basics that we'll go through, kind of a lot of stuff that I use, is you can have it turn on when someone arrives home. So when you come home, your patio lights turn on for you. It's really nice. You can also have them turn off whenever you leave, which is also very handy. If you want to have them come on and off every single day, you can have scenes that turn them on around sunset, a little before, a little after, and you can have them turn off when sun rises. You can also do it based on accessory automation, so whether something is controlled, like a switch is pressed, that's pretty handy, or if there's something like a motion detector. If you have a motion detector on the patio, you have one through a camera. In my case, I have that Logitech Circle 2 camera pointing down there. Whenever that detects motion, it turns my patio lights on. You'd also do it on a contact sensor, like you open the door and the lights come on outside. The iHome SmartPlug is a great option, especially if you're looking to expand your HomeKit products, not just to inside, but outside as well. It is significantly cheaper than the competition, and with Wi-Fi, it is pretty much always connected. You can find a link for it down below in the description, and I want to hear what you guys think down in the comments. Until next time, this is Andrew for IDB.